Hey guys, Rambo here, and doing my weekly report on PXT2 and Project X, guys, the collective here. Just consolidation here, guys. Nothing wrong with that. Got your nodes kicking out those returns every single day, just kind of building up, and yeah, it's going up. Your investment goes up, it goes down. But if you're in it for the long haul, you have a lot of faith in what's going on here. You're just compounding right now like a madman, and just preparing for the next leg up. We had this nice run up here, and now we're just kind of going back and forth. This is kind of, I have buy zone, sell zone area here. And so right here, we're just kind of consolidating. We did break that downtrend here, or the uptrend support line. We did have kind of a symmetrical wedge right here that we broke to the downside. Usually that is what we call a continuation wedge, which is usually the upside, but sometimes it breaks to the downside. So, but now speaking of wedges, the primary wedge right here that is formed is a downward facing wedge, or what they call a descending wedge, and usually 78.68% of the time, something like that, we break to the upside. So things are looking good. Now, upside, what does that mean? Does that mean, okay, now we're on the way to 100? No, it doesn't necessarily mean that. But what it means is, considering we're just in this consolidation area, I wouldn't be surprised if it broke back up, maybe got close to the 40s, or maybe bounced up a little bit, and then, we could come back down. But we definitely would be breaking that downtrend line, and we would be start seeing some higher prices, maybe fighting this resistance up here and breaking it. Then there's no telling where we will be going with that. But I think for the short term here, I think we're probably pretty much on the lows here. It looks like, if I can't find it here right now. Where are we here? I'm just going to do some homework. Right there we go. Okay, that's better. I include the wicks. So what am I saying? I'm saying most likely it looks like we're staying above this support, which is creating this downward wedge. If we just want to creep and crawl, we could stay here till the 24th, and then most likely 78% chance then we'll be going to the upside. Of course, if there's 78% chance going up, that means there's an 18% chance we'll be going down. So keep that in mind. Usually it doesn't come in here, this area. This is what I call no man's land. We either break below or we break above here. I wouldn't be surprised. Usually in wedge patterns, we break the wedge around a little past 2/3 of the way through the wedge, which is where we're at right now. So I wouldn't be surprised if we have a break to the upside, and then we come back down. Why is that? Is because it's called meeting the point. This wedge forms a point right here at 29. A lot of times it will break up to, for example, 35, and then it wants to come down and meet the point. Now, that's just a description of the price action. Sometimes it does come all the way back down and touch the point. Very rarely does it go below the point. But usually it will come up, and then we'll see some kind of price action down. What am I on the 4-hour chart? So a day where we'll be coming down a little bit, and then we'll see price action continue to the upside. So most likely here, pretty soon, I have the end of the point here is the 25th at midnight. So we will definitely know which way this is going by then. But the way the chart's looking to me, we will be breaking to the upside. sometime tomorrow, I would say, and then maybe a day coming back down, and then moving eventually up. That's what the probabilities are saying. Um, but again, we're just still in this consolidation area. Matter of fact, we're smack dab in the middle of it. So um, take take away from it what you wish. Not a professional. I'm just entertainer. I'm showing you what I think is going to be happening. Is my opinion on the charts. But I'm looking forward, really looking forward to the next couple days to see what is going to be happening with the X Factor. And with that, you guys, I hope you had a good weekend, and that we'll have a good week. Stay strong. Take care, guys.